my channel. So today I am super excited because I'm going to be doing a Hush haul. If you guys have never heard of the brand Hush, it's an amazing website and app that you can go on and browse a ton of makeup, anywhere from affordable makeup to premium brands. They also have brands that are super unique as well. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. But before I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the little notification bell down below just so you can be notified when I post new videos. So with that being said, let's get on into it. What I love about this box is all the makeup in here is under $12. That is so refreshing to say because when I go into Ulta and to Sephora, it's so much money for a lot of their products unless you're on the drugstore side. So I love finding unique brands that are very affordable. So I have eyeshadow and I have highlighting palettes in here, and when I opened these up, I was like, these are amazing. They're very, very creamy and blendable. They almost remind me of Morphe shadows, which is awesome. And they're about the same price as Morphe shadows, if not cheaper. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm wearing on my eyes today is by the brand Bad Habit, and it's their eyeshadow palette called Aphrodite. All of these colors are so beautiful. You have your sparkly shades and your matte shades. I'm just obsessed with them, so I decided to use this palette on my eyes today. The next palette I got is called Inferno, and this is a very pretty palette. It has everything you need in it, very neutral shades. Has your base color, your transitional shades, darker colors, and also some bronzy sparkly shades as well. And their sparkly shades are so pretty. They remind me just how pigmented the Morphe shadows are, and so buttery and easy to blend out. I didn't even need to use MAC Fix Plus when I use these. A lot of sparkly eyeshadows just are very crumbly, or they're not very pigmented when you put them on the eyelid, but these are amazing and they're so creamy and easy to blend. I'm gonna swatch the Inferno palette for you guys because it's my favorite. Here's the shade White Hot. Here's the shade Baked. Here's this beautiful bronzy shade called Lit. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? I don't know if it's picking up on all the pigment in that, but I'm just obsessed with that Lit color. And then here is the shade Blaze, the shade Warmth. Here is the shade Smolder, the shade Glow, the shade Flames. Oh, love that color. The shade Bonfire, and the shade Ignite. I love this bottom row right here because it reminds me so much of fall, and fall shades are great because they're neutral and you can wear them all year long. The next palette I have is called Aurora. I think this packaging is so pretty. It's very high quality too. It feels like a $50 palette that you have when really it's only 12 bucks. So I think this palette is gorgeous. It has a ton of sparkly shimmery shades while also having the matte shades as well. What I love about all these palettes is they have all the colors you need in one palette. Most of the palettes I've been getting lately are like all the same colors, they don't have a transitional shade, or they're missing something. What I love about these palettes is they have it all, and they're 12 bucks. So I really love this Aurora palette as well. The next one I have is called Retro Love, and this is such a fun palette. It has like a sparkly gold yellowy shade, and then it has these tangerine colors, brown and pinky shades. I just think this is such a pretty palette for day and night. And then it has a sparkly highlight shade that I think would look so pretty under the brow. For the last eyeshadow palette I have, this one is called Athena. I think that's such a pretty name, and again, the packaging is gorgeous. The shimmery, shiny packaging just calls my name. And when I open this one, I see a ton of springy matte shades as well as a ton of glitter. I love glitter so much, and again, this glitter lays very beautifully, and it's 12 Like this whole thing is $12, which is amazing. And it's a really big palette as well, so it will last you a really long time. I love this Athena palette so much. I think my favorite shade is the shade Gleam. It's kind of a purpley silver shade, and I think it's just really unique and pretty. Alright, last but not least, I have the two highlighting shades. One is called Mermaid Glow and one is called Unicorn Glow. I love both of those names. I love mermaids, I love unicorns, so this just calls my name. Today I have on my cheeks Mermaid Glow in the shade Gleam. All of these shades are so pretty and remind me totally of what a mermaid would highlight their body with, just very shimmery and like almost like fish scales. They're so pretty. I'll swatch some for you guys, but I am just obsessed with this, and when I put this on, I was like, is that like an Anastasia highlighter for $12? I think so. Like, it looks so good. It's not chunky, it's not too glittery at all. It's just a very nice sheen on your cheekbone, and I think that looks amazing. So this one is the Mermaid Glow. I think that's probably my favorite one. I'll show you guys the Unicorn Glow, which is $12 as well. And I think this one is so pretty. It has the orange, it has the blues, the greens, the purples. This is a very fun palette if you're going to a music festival or if you're doing something crazy for Halloween or something like that. I think this is so much fun. Or if you just like wearing these purple highlights every day, rock it, girls. So these are probably my favorite from the whole collection. If I would have to choose my favorite eyeshadow palette, it would definitely be Inferno. And I just love all the brown, bronzy, neutral shades in here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll have all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to go check out Hush if you guys want some very affordable makeup. And I'll see you next time. Bye!